Hi guys, welcome back to a video on my channel. This is your girl Anaya Kamaj, also known as Kamaj Beauty. I'm packing at the last minute. I am basically going to be showing you guys how I get ready for my trip to Georgia. We're gonna get it done. If you're new to my channel, you should definitely hit that subscribe button because I'm trying to rank up on my subscribers, join the collective, the crew, and just be a part of my videos. Anyways, before I start doing a get ready with me, I need to do a pack with me video. So I'm gonna show you guys my suitcase and everything like that. This suitcase needs to be able to go on the airplane and stay on the airplane with me, and when I get off, it get off with me. I don't got time to be checking no bags underneath the plane and stuff because that's money that I do not have right now. Like, I'm literally penny pinching. So with that being said, I gotta really, finagle this suitcase so it's not over the weight. So this is the suitcase I am using. It's just a suitcase that looks like this. It's pretty small. It's gonna get the job done. What's the brand? Travel Pro. If y'all were interested in a suitcase like this, it has wheels and it has a department for like pajamas and underwear. So that's what we're gonna start on. So I'll be there Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So I need about 4 or 5 pair of underwear and about 2 pair of pajamas. So let's pack that. Okay, so y'all see my suitcase. Let's go ahead and pack my pajamas and my underwear. I got 1 pair of underwear right here. Pairs. That's 5. Now I need pajamas. Now I need shoes to put in this suitcase. Well, I don't even know what I'm wearing. I'm gonna bring these. This might be my airport outfit. I'll put that there. I got a thing of socks. There's 2 socks on here, so that should be enough. This jacket to go with my sweat. And I got a tube top dress. Hopefully it's not gonna be too rainy because I'm feeling like the weather's gonna be muggy, but I'm not sure. So that's one outfit. And I can pair it with sandals with the purple. That's cute. So I have the airplane outfit, which is Saturday. Then Sunday I have the dress. And then Monday on my way back I need something comfortable to wear. There's a top that I bought and never wore. It's just like that. So I'll wear this on the way back. With like these. I love these jeans. They're just olive green Hollister jeans. I'm gonna pack these as well. So this will be my one little pair of jeans to wear. Of course I need a bra. I'll pack this one sports bra. Waist trainer. Did not spend all that money on this thing for no reason. So that's gonna go in here. So this is what the suitcase is looking like. For these sweatpants that I'm wearing tomorrow, I'm gonna wear these Zoo York sneakers. I just freaking love them. They're just so freaking cute, and that should work. So I'm gonna take them out and have them sitting over here waiting to go tomorrow. All these dirty clothes I need to clean up as well. But let's move on to jewelry. Monday coming back, I'm gonna wear silver since the shirt is giving like a silver vibe. So I have these silver earrings that I'm gonna wear. I have a thing of rings. They just look like that. I got them from Rainbow. So I'm gonna put all the silver jewelry in here. And I need a necklace. I need a necklace. This is pretty cute. It's like a butterfly. I think it's cute. I'm gonna wear that. That necklace is gonna go on the day that I'm wearing that sundress because it has that peekaboo of purple. That should be cute. And then I have another necklace. Hold on, if I can get it off of me. This is the chain, silver chain necklace. So I'm gonna wear this on the day I'm coming back from the airport. I got lip gloss and mascara. Lip gloss, Prada, perfume, some more rings. Got a bunch of stuff in here. I love this one. This is cute. I could wear this also with that dress. Cross necklace. I could wear it with the outfit I'm wearing tomorrow. When I'm on the plane and stuff, I'm gonna want to crochet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and see if I can pack up some crochet stuff. This one is impeccable. I love this green. It's so freaking cute. Then I got the loops and thread. This orange. I'm thinking of making like a beanie with these colors. This is the third color. It's also by Loops and Thread. It's this blue. So like a cute little summer vibe beanie, kind of fallish beanie. So I'm gonna make sure I put that in here. So I have something to do tomorrow because I'm gonna be on a layaway for a good minute. I'm gonna be there for freaking 4 hours. So yeah, your girl's gonna need something to do. And my chargers, I'm gonna put the Android charger in here. I'm doing a lot of talking. A little too much talking for my life. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my video. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of seeing me, you know, pack up for my trip to Georgia. I am going down there to see my son for 3 days, and y'all just need to tune into the next video, which will be a vlog of me in Georgia. So yes, stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace, love, and light.